there are two boys, Ravi and Raj. Okay. So the question is, Ravi's house is 5 kilometers away from the school and Raj's house is 2 kilometers away from the school. Whose house is far from the school and by how much? Okay, so Ravi's house is how many kilometers away? Ravi's house is 5 kilometers away. Ravi's house is 5 kilometers away from the school and Raj's house is 2 kilometers away from the school. Now they are asking whose house is far from the school and by how much. Children, always remember this thing, that whenever this by how much word is there, you will always subtract the given numbers. Whenever this by how much word is there, you will always subtract the given numbers. All right. So now here, we'll start writing these statements. Okay. Yes, Dhruti.
Ma'am, they have to write the question also.
No, as I said yesterday, no need to write these questions in your math notebook because these are already in your course book. Okay. So we'll start writing the statements. Those who wrote yesterday, no need to write it again. Okay. So distance of Ravi's house from school, distance of Ravi's house from school, and children please write correct spelling, is equal to 5 kilometers. Then in the next line you will write distance of Raj's house from school, and children please write correct statement, okay, is equal to 2 kilometers. Distance of Ravi's house from school is 5 kilometers and distance of Raj's house from school is 2 kilometers. See, Ravi's house is 5 kilometers away from school and Raj's house is 2 kilometers away from school. So, whose house is far from school? Ravi's house is far from school because his house is 5 kilometers away from the school than Raj's house. Okay. Now what we will do, they asked us by how much. By how much means we have to subtract. We have to subtract the given numbers. So what we'll do, we'll start writing now. Okay, and I've already told you how to write in your math notebook. So first we'll write 5 kilometer, and children remember that 5 you will write in one box and kilometers you will write in another box. Okay, then you will put minus sign in another box next to kilometers, and now you will subtract the given numbers. So 5 minus 2 is how much? Tanishka, 5 minus 2. Tanishka, 5 minus 2 how much? Tanishka, show me your 5 fingers and take away 2 quickly.
3, ma'am.
Yeah, so 5 minus 2 is 3. So we will write here 3 kilometers. And again, I am writing this kilometer. You will write in another box, okay? Your work should be neat and clean. So what will be our last statement? Our last statement will be Ravi's house is far from school by 3 kilometers. Write this. Yes. Is there anyone who is still writing? Anyone who is still writing? Aslan, Aslan, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, only 1 minute time. Okay, I'll give you only 1 minute. Please write fast. And listen, again, I'm repeating. Daily, you all have to share your classwork and homework with your concerned subject teachers. 5 marks is for your handwriting and 5 marks is for your homework sharing. So again and again, I'm repeating, I don't want you all to lose your 5 marks. So please regularly share your classwork and homework with your concerned subject teachers. Again and again, I'm repeating. AVK Ganesh, Ashrita, Ashrit Rao, Aniksai, Akshaj, Jay, Manvit, Meghna, Kushal, Krishika ji, P. Kartika, Supratik. Please share your homeworks regularly with the concerned subject teachers. Again and again, I'm repeating. Please. Okay. Is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? Nobody used raised hand option. Fine. So I'm clearing this now. Tanishka, now time is over. I have already erased that. At that, when I asked at that time, you did not use raised hand option. Now it's of no use. I'll upload it in MCB. Okay. When I asked, nobody used raised hand option. Yes, children. Now next bit number F. A wire is 8 meter long. A piece of 2 meter is cut from it. How much wire is left? So length of wire is 8 meters and 2 meter is cut from it. 2 meter is cut from that wire. Now they are asking how much wire is left. How much wire is left? Again, this left word is there. So we'll do subtraction. We'll do subtraction. So we'll start writing the statement from the 8 meters wire. 2 meters is cut. Now they are asking how much wire is left. So we'll write length of the wire, length of the wire is equal to 8 meters. The next line, children start writing length of wire cut is equal to 2 meter. Right. Then next, we'll write 8 meter first. And then in the next line, We'll put minus sign and then we'll write 2 meters. And again, I'll repeat that in one box you will write 8 and in another box you will write this meter. So length of the wire is 8 meter. Length of wire cut is equal to 2 meter. Now we have to subtract. Jay, please unmute yourself and tell me 8 minus 2 how much? Jay, unmute yourself please.
Minus 8 minus 2, 6.
Very good. So 8 minus 2 is 6 children. So we will write here 6 and don't forget to write this M and this M stands for meters. So 6 meters. 6 meter wire is left. So we'll write our last statement. Length of wire left. Length of wire left is equal to 6 meters. Length of wire left is equal to 6 meters. Yes, will become.
Ma'am, I am writing, ma'am. Ma'am, I am writing.
Which one?
Ma'am, I am writing.
Will become. Which bit are you writing?
I am writing only F bit, ma'am.
So I didn't ask anyone. You can write, no problem. Yes, P. Kartika. Huh? P. Kartika, you need to unmute yourself if you want to speak something. Yes, children, come on, write. Length of wire is equal to 8 meter. Length of wire cut equal to 2 meter. Then 8 meter minus 2 meter is equal to 6 meters. Length of wire left is equal to 6 meters. Excuse me. Yes, children, write fast. One more minute. And do not make any spelling mistakes and your work should be neat and clean. Yes, Islan, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, mine is done.
Okay,
Every
Islan, you can use raise hand option if you have any doubt. Okay, but no need to use raise hand option when you want to tell whether you have completed your work or not. Yes, children, fast. Okay, done. Is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? Shri Hassan, you have joined class very late. 1 more minute and write fast. Shri Hassan, please write fast. Yes. Done. Okay, children, so we'll move forward now. I'll clear this. Now, what you all have to do is in your math notebook, we'll write few questions like addition. Okay, okay, one more word problem is there. This is bit number H. Okay, we'll write this. This is, children, no need to write this question in your math notebook. Again, I'm repeating, questions are there in your course book. And this is page number 18 of your math course book. Now, next question is, Ram has 10 centimeter long pencil. There's one boy Ram, he has 10 centimeter long pencil. He sharpens the pencil by 2 centimeters. He sharpens his pencil by 2 centimeter. Now they are asking what is the length of the pencil. You all have pencils, right? Whenever you will sharpen your pencil, what will happen? It will become small. Yes, if you will sharpen your pencil, then its length will decrease. Its length will decrease, right? So in this means what we are doing, sorry, this means what we have to do, we have to subtract the given numbers. We have to subtract the given numbers, because if you will observe this carefully, whenever you are sharpening your pencil, whenever you will sharpen your pencil, you will realize that the size of the pencil is decreasing every time you will sharp. Yes, size of your pencil decreases whenever you sharp your pencil, right? So this means what is happening, whenever we are if it is decreasing, this means if it is becoming small, this means we have to subtract the given numbers here, right? So we'll start writing these statements now. So we'll write here length of the pencil. Start writing, children. Length of the pencil is equal to 10 centimeter. Then length of the pencil. Start writing, come on. Length of the pencil. Sharpen equal to how much? 2 centimeters. Yes, children, write these statements without any spelling mistake. Quickly. So what we'll do, first we'll write 10. And remember this thing, children. 1 you will write in one box, and then in next box you will write 0. All right. Yesterday I've told you how to write. Yes, children, come on. Tanishka, write fast. And this centimeter you all will write in another box. Come on, children, write fast. Okay, done now. Now we have to subtract 2 from 10. We have to subtract 2 from 10. AVA Ganesh, you tell me, is it possible to take away 2 from 0?
No.
What we'll do?
Carry forward.
Borrow.
Borrow.
So we will borrow 1 from this one. We will cut this one. This 1 will become,
0.
and this 0 will become.
10.
Very good. So now tell me 10 minus 2, how much? Yeah. 10 minus 2. Show me your 10 fingers quickly and remove 2 fingers. How many are left?
7.
No, count again.
8.
Yes. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So we'll write here 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. And then we'll write our last statement. Length of the pencil. Length of the pencil now is equal to 8 centimeters. Yes, children, write fast. I'll give you exactly 1 minute now. Okay? Yes. Is there anyone who is still writing? Anyone? Is there anyone who is still writing? Okay then. I'll clear this. Yes, Aaron. Yes, Aaron. Aaron, you are not audible. Okay, children. So we'll start. Now you all can close your notebooks. We'll have a quiz now. Okay. So whosoever will use raise hand option first, he or she will get a chance to answer the question. Okay. Fine. Yeah. So I'll start. You have to, okay. Your first question is, listen carefully, children, and try to answer it on your own. Weight of a girl. Which unit we will use to measure weight of a girl? Gram or kg? Yes, Riyansika?
Ma'am,
Weight of a girl. Weight of a girl. Girl.
grams.
No. Weight of a
No, wrong.
kilograms or grams.
Now your turn is over. Yes, Aslan?
Ma'am,
Aslan? Yeah.
kilograms.
Very good. That's kilogram. Okay, that's correct answer. Hands down, everyone. Remaining children, hands down. Hands down now. I'll not ask that same question. Shri Hasan, Advaita, Bilvika, Meghna, I said hands down, please. Bilvika, Advaita, Meghna, Aslan, hands down. Now next question. Hands down, I said. Now next question. Yes. Now next is. Okay. Weight of an Lohit, I did not ask you the question. Hands down, Ashwata. Yeah. Weight of an orange. Weight of an orange. Yes, Ashwata.
Kilogram, ma'am.
Yes, Aslan. Yes, Aslan.
Grams.
Very good. Correct answer is grams. I said an orange. An orange means only one orange. So grams. Very good, Aslan. That's correct. Yes. Rest everyone. Hands down. Hands down, everyone. Now next. Ashrit, hands down. Question. I already got the correct answer, children. Hands down now. Bilvika, Ashrit and Shriyasan. Hands down. Okay. Now next question. Weight of a ball. Weight of a ball. Yes, Aslan.
Weight of a ball, grams.
Weight of a ball, grams. Okay, that's correct. Very good. Hands down. Remaining children, hands down. Okay. Aaron and Bilvika, hands down now. I didn't ask any question. Yeah. Next. Okay, which unit you will use to measure distance between Delhi and Hyderabad? Yes, Aslan. Yeah.
Kilometers.
Oh, very good. Very fast. Okay, rest everyone, hands down. Very good. That's kilometer. Hands down, hands down. Meghna, Ashwita and Bilvika, hands down. Come on. Hands down. Ashwita, hands down. Yeah. Now next. Okay. Now next is 45 multiplied by 0 is equal to. Yes, Pathan. Yeah, unmute yourself. Pathan, you need to unmute yourself. Yeah. Yeah. Tell me the answer.
45 multiplied by 0 is 0.
45 multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay, that's the correct answer. Very good. Children, just keep this thing in your mind. Once you listen correct answer, you need to lower your hands quickly. Yeah. Okay, now next. 78 multiplied by 1 is equal to how much? Yes, Lohit, unmute yourself.
78 multiplied by 1.
What is the answer?
Cheppu. And keeping 7 endukra? 78 multiplied by 1.
Lohit, I'm waiting.
78.
78. Okay, that's the correct answer. Yes, remaining children, hands down. That's the correct answer. Okay, now next. Hands down, hands down. Shreya, Supratik, hands down now. Turn over. Okay, next. 99 multiplied by 10. Yes, Aslan. Yeah, unmute yourself. Aslan, unmute yourself, please. No. Aslan. Yeah. Yes, Aaron. Yes, Aaron, tell me the answer. Aaron, you are not at all audible. I can see you are saying something, but you are not at all audible. I can just see you, but I'm unable to hear. Please check your network, Aaron. Yes, Dhriti Reddy.
10.
10. No, wrong. Yes, Advaita.
Ma'am,
Yeah, answer.
900
Huh?
900 and
900 and
990, ma'am.
990. Very good. That's the correct answer. Yes, children, hands down. Hands down now, quickly. Okay, that's the correct answer. Now next. Hands down. Hands down, Shreyas, Advaita. Yeah, hands down now. Okay. 55 multiplied by 0. Yes, Aslan. Aslan, you need to unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
0.
0. Okay, that's the correct answer. Yes, children, hands down now. Very good. That's the correct answer. Hands down now. Okay. Now, which unit you will use? Hands down, Advaita. Yeah. Listen to the question first. Which unit you will use to measure length of a pencil? Yes, Anvika.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
a ruler.
Wrong. That's not the answer. Yes, Misbah. Misbah. Wait. I'm unable to unmute.
Centimeters.
Centimeters. Very good. That's the correct answer. Yes, remaining children, hands down. Hands down. Quickly, hands down. Supratik, Shreyas, everyone. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Ash, yeah. AVK Ganesh, hands down. Okay, fine. Now, which unit you will P Kartika, hands down. Yeah. Which unit you will use to measure length of a door? Yes, Misbah. Unmute yourself. Misbah, you need to unmute yourself. Yeah, tell.
Yes.
Huh? Advaita, you need to use hand raise and option. Huh? Misbah, answer. Yes, Misbah, I'm waiting.
Meter.
Meters. Okay, that's
Meter.
okay. That's the correct answer. Yes, children, hands down. Very good. Remaining children. Yes. Okay, that's the correct answer. Now next. I said hands down, please. Yeah. Next is 6 multiplied by 100. Supratik, I did not complete my question. What is this? Supratik, Akshay, what is this? I haven't completed my question. 6 multiplied by 100 is equal to how much? Yes, Aslan. Aslan, you need to unmute.
Ma'am, 600.
Very good. 6 multiplied by 100 is equal to 600. Hands down. Hands down, everyone. Hands down, please. Advaita, Ashwita, Supratik, hands down. Okay. Now next. Which unit you will use to measure distance of your home?